Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup. We have some stories picked out to help guide you into the weekend. So, Brian, why don't you get us started?
So this week, Local Motors announced that it's bringing its global fleet challenge for its autonomous shuttle known as AUVSI to Atlanta, Georgia. Entries for the challenge will be accepted through July 31st, and once a winner is selected, Local Motor engineers will map out AUVSI's autonomous route in Atlanta.
That's pretty cool. We have a story from this week's FAA UAS Symposium, which we co-hosted in Baltimore. And there's going to be more to come on that in the next issue of Unmanned Systems magazine. So you can read this story and then get ready for a follow-up story.
Sounds good. The Michelin Group has partnered with Einride, which is a Swedish-based self-driving startup company. Next year, Michelin will test Einride's T-Pod, which is the company's autonomous cabless freight hauling electric truck, at its gated tire production facility in France before testing the technology on public roads.
All right, test them out and then get them out there.
Yep.
This is a little different story. In South Korea, which is very big on automation, a company has started using robots to make coffee. So robot baristas, they said it gets people in and out a little faster, and South Korea has the highest density of industrial robots in the world.
Sounds good. Last item for me, the Coquina National Forest has reported that fire crews recently used a UAS on the Maroon Fire in Arizona. The UAS was used to drop aerial ignitions on the fire in a cinder basin east of Flagstaff, Arizona. According to the National Forest, this was the first time the UAS had been used for these type of operations.
That's pretty cool. I have one more as well. Monaco, which is a small mountainous country, has launched a UTM system working with a French startup company called Airspace Drone, and they have a system called FlySafe. So Monaco is mountainous, has a lot of wealthy people, a lot of helicopters, so they were trying to deconflict between helicopters and the growing commercial UAS industry. So that's pretty cool. Next time you go to Monaco, check it out. As always, links are below, and we will see you next week.